Everyone, and welcome to a scrumptious video because it's filled with food. Now, we are going to be. This is all pop culture, and is it all pop? Yeah, it's all pop culture.
Playday's collectibles.
Some from Playday collectibles, some not. This is not from Playday, and that's not from Playday. Playdays. Tommy always corrects me with the plural. I don't know why, but I'm gonna be opening them from worst, well, not worst, just least my favourite, to best. Best only because of the price. But let's get on with it. Starting off with the Butterfingers. Now, this car, you will see this car in the future of other American videos. It's the 71 Plymouth Satellite Butterfingers. Now, when we were at a car show, there were lots of stalls there, and there was a shirt stall, and this guy had like 30 Hot Wheels cars just laying there. Most of them were, like 2 of them were pop culture, I'm pretty sure. And they were both foods. I'm pretty sure that's the only reason he bought them. One of them was a McDonald's one was this, and then one from the one I bought was a Cadillac. He said 10 for 3, so great deal for one of what?
3 for 10.
3 for 10, yes, 3 for 10. A great deal. And this was one of them. Pretty messed up. Probably didn't care about it that much, but now I'm going to open it. Gotta get on. I'm just rambling on. And you will not see the McDonald's car inside of this video because it's a pretty special car for $3. Now, here it is. It's going to have its own video, basically. Butterfingers, it's got no front deco. Oh, super slow. Turntable, whoa. It's got top deco with the roof racks there. It's got the Butterfingers on the side. It's got the Butterfingers as Woody. I love that, how the Butterfingers is acting as if it's Woody. Like wood sides. And it's got rear deco, side deco, and I've never tried Butterfingers. I have no idea what they are. But, sounds delicious. Now, onto the next car. This is the rendering, and this is the set. It looks like the world's best set in the world. Now, onto the next car. I'm not joking, it actually looks like a really good set. Now, onto the next. This is Star Trek 50th anniversary, and the camera is recognizing this box face. It says, like, puts a box around it so it just knows where all the faces are. But I got this for, I think, $6. He lowered the price at Playday. So, oh yeah, and these are the other cars. They've got Scotty is in Baja Breaker. I forgot her name. Sulu. The Doc. I forgot his name. Spock, and then there's Kirk. Yep, yeah. So, I used to watch the old Star Trek and some of the new Star Trek movies. I haven't watched them in a while though. Thanks to Netflix existing. Now, this is my first one of these.
It's got a battery in it now.
Does it?
Yeah.
It runs much faster now. Or is it going to roll off? But it's got boom. Boom. Okay, it's got front deco, which is very nice gold on the top. It's got Spock with that logo. I don't know if it's a Spockian logo with a Spock's ship. What's Spock?
Long and prosper.
Oh, no, that's the USS Enterprise on the side with bubbles. Planets, probably. And the camera is still recognizing his face on the side of the car.
Live long and prosper.
Oh yeah, and live long and prosper. This is actually a very beautiful car with bronze. I love this one. What is it called? It is the deco delivery. It can fit lots of deco. I just love this thing. Moving on to the next, which is Peanuts, and go check out Diecast Cars Garage because he goes to Playday's Collectibles. It's a car Hot Wheels shop. And he got that car and that car from the set, probably from the same pig, actually. And I just got this, because all they had was this and that. Didn't want to get that. Regret not getting that. But, what is this? Custom Chevy Green Bear. Oh, it's a Green Bear! I saw 3 of these cars at the car show, and I had no idea what they are.
Green Bear, nice.
Green Bear sports wagon.
Green
Except for they were stock.
I didn't know this thing.
Yeah, most of them were just like around the Volkswagen. I'll show you a picture later. Oh my gosh, the rear end of this thing is so heavy.
That fits nicely, actually.
That's really nice. Oh yeah, we should just use that for now. It's got surfboards on the top.
See, it tried to roll off just then.
Yes, but it's got a giant engine in the rear. That's amazing.
Someone's
Giant
mowing their
moon.
lawns.
Yeah, somebody's been on the lawns. Be right back. On-ish. They might come back. But it's got Snoopy snowboarding on that side. And then what's that bird's name?
Woodstock.
Woodstock. Yeah, Woodstock's flying in the snow. Why is he flying? Doesn't he not? I thought he didn't know how to fly. But just to show you something, look. The center of gravity would usually be about here in a car. But center of gravity, I'm going to say there. The rear engine, like, Toby, feel that. Feel how heavy the rear end is.
Wow.
Okay, now we've got the Fruit Brute. We've got the Fruit Brute, one of the most healthy foods in the world with its artificial fruit flavour, the sugar-covered parts of it, and then the marshy bits. That's so good. I've never tried this.
What's in the series?
In the series, we have... Oh, I haven't actually taken a look at this. I've almost bought that and that online. I love those two so much. Oh, that was there. That Chevy was there, but I didn't buy it because...
What?
I have no idea. I have no idea why.
Well,
But I almost bought that in real life when I was like really young. I was like, oh wow, that's cool. I'm gonna buy it. But then it was really expensive, like $7 compared to a $3 car. And then I almost bought that online as well. These three are just amazing, but this is also really cool. So let's rip this open like a brute. And oh yeah, I got it on discount because of that. Yeah, most of these cars were like $6 each.
Rip it open like a broom.
It's called Mad Pun's Boo-Ha.
Mad Pun's Boo-Ha.
If you're a fan of something else YT, you would know what that joke means. Now it's got those same wheels as the Bentley I opened in my last video. Here, Matchbox Bentley, and it's the same wheels as the Mitsubishi Eclipse in the Fast and Furious round 2. Now it's got the Fruit Brute on the side, very nice. Oh my gosh, look at that interior. I'll look through the top and then in a second, but Fruit Brute, and it's got the Fruit Brute on it. But look, it's got this, wow, that's a very detailed interior. I like that. And it's supposedly a drag car.
Speaking of drag cars.
Oh yeah, speaking of drag cars. Wait, why
Best
are there
for
only
last.
three? Oh, this is supposed to be over here.
Best for last.
Best for last. This thing I got for $10 at another stall.
US.
This US, that's like 15 New Zealand. And Grateful Dead, I found out Grateful Dead is a music company.
It's a band.
A band. Why is it called that, and why are there dancing teddy bears inside that dream van? Why is there a Pepsi head skull on that? Why is there a rose skull? Why is there banjo turtles backing each other? And why is there a Pepsi card there? Why? Is this band as delusional as the Beatles or what? But let's just open it before I open it. This thing's worth like $40 online, New Zealand, which is like 50 New Zealand, which is 50 American. But ooh, I only really got this because I have almost every single Volkswagen casting apart from this. So
look at that.
wow, that's a good colour. This one thing is 2014. Look at the detail for 2014. They really loved their pop culture back then. And supposedly the back on this thing can open. Ooh, that's not bad.
Go and do it on camera, man.
I'm trying.
Put it back there.
It's got the same rear exhaust pipe as the drag bus, which is neat, a little cool thing. If you don't know what the drag bus looks like, it's coming in a second. But the one thing I really don't like about pop culture is how they have to put those words there. There's the register mark, the trademark. But see, it has the same exhaust pipe as the drag bus. That's my only drag bus. I love that thing. Except for it leans to the side. It's really strange. So, thank you all for watching very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Live long and very prosper.